Welcome to VJ Spike's channel. Today we will discuss about the tips and tricks on how to develop your personality so you can attract positivity and can achieve things which seems to be impossible. So let's get started. The first tip, know you are incomparable. You bring your self-esteem down by comparing yourself with others. That lower down your personality and does not let your strength blossom. Know that you and the other person are unique and are just incomparable. The second tip, be kind to yourself. We are taught to be kind to others, yet many of us fail to be kind to ourselves. Studies show that self-compassion brings positive traits like optimism, extroversion, wisdom, happiness, positivity, and resilience. Self-compassion involves 3 steps. The first step, recognize that you deserve care and concern like anyone else, and that is why you must be kind and understanding with oneself. The second step, recognize that making mistakes and failing is a part of life. So do not be hard on yourself when you commit a mistake or fail and indulge in self-critical thoughts. The third step, be aware of one's emotion and feelings. Contrary to popular belief, self-compassion does not mean letting yourself off the hook. Rather, it means taking corrective actions without being too self-critical. The third tip, give space to imperfection. People and situations always do not fit in your frame of perfection. Often that makes one agitated and angry, eventually diminishing the strength of your personality. So find your peace amidst the world's flaws even as you strive to make a change. Acceptance of a little bit of imperfection on the periphery allows you to be more patient and calm. At least then you can maintain your inner perfection. The fourth tip, be spontaneous. Spontaneity makes one to be fun around. However, do not confuse being spontaneous with being impulsive. The former is the key to success. The latter can cause disasters. So, how do you be truly spontaneous? By being 100% aware in the present moment. The fifth tip, be light in mind and heart. Don't overthink and overanalyze. Neither let any negativity like shame, anger, jealousy, or greed stay in your consciousness for too long. Instead, learn to take it easy. Forgive easily and drop grudges against people as soon as they pop up. Being light in mind and heart makes you truly happy from within. And who does not like happy people? The sixth tip, stay enthusiastic. Enthusiasm is infectious and appealing. That is why everyone loves kids. Despite adverse situation in life, one must never give up their enthusiasm. The seventh tip, be a better communicator. A couplet in Canada says that words can create laughter and can also create enmity. A skillful communicator can win over people and adverse situations. So bring clarity in your communication. Learn how can be an excellent communicator with these tips. The eighth tip, be warm and approachable. We all like people with whom we can easily mingle and talk to. No one likes a person who responds with a straight face. So learn to be warm. Flash that smile more often. Be friendly and be ready to share and help. The ninth tip, learn to let go. After you are done with a task, let go of your attachment with the result. When you let go, you become free, calm, and relaxed, attributes of a strong personality. The 10th tip, be a lion in the face of danger. Don't give in to pressure and face every challenge and confidently. Either you will overcome the adversity or learn something invaluable. Stay calm with the power of breath. Being calm strengthens one's personality. However, staying calm can be difficult when you have a terrible headache and have an urgent deadline to meet. In such situations, tap the power of breath. As soon as you become aware of it, your stress will diminish. The 12th tip, remember you're a proton. A proton can never lose its positivity, nor can you. Stress may affect us on the outside. However, your inner core continues to radiate positivity like a proton. It says unaffected and happy and peaceful. Tune into the part of yourself again and again with the help of meditation. The process energizes and brings out positive traits like enthusiasm. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.